Sensibility and practicality define the 2021 Chevrolet Colorado. This four-door, five-passenger truck is ready to drive off the showroom floor. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include remote keyless entry, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, and air conditioning. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Call now to schedule a test drive.